Hi guys, we all have the same number of hours, 24. To that extent, God has been very fair. No matter who you are, you don't get 1 second more. But yet, there are people who achieve such a lot in the same number of hours. Now, how is that? It's because achievers operate differently. Achievers try to figure out what exactly matters. They go small, they go to the heart of things. And achievers also work on the premise that not all things matter equally. So, how do you achieve more in the same number of hours? Let's get back to our childhood. When we were very small, everything was very time bound. Time to get up, time to have a sleep, time to have your afternoon nap, time to have dinner, and it used to be like that. As we grew a little bigger, we were given more freedom. Go out and play, but when the street lights are on, come back home. At least that's the way I had it at my time. There was a guy who would come and put up the street lights. So basically, you got to be home before the street lights or when the street lights are on. That was the instruction. As we grew a little bigger, we were told go out and play, but as long as you finish your homework before dinner, no problem. So, what were our parents trying to do? The parents were trying to identify that one most important thing. If done, everything else falls in place. But as we grew up as adults, we lost the ability and we lost the focus of identifying that one most important thing. If done, everything else can fall into place. And we went overboard, we got overcommitted, we got overloaded. With the result, we also believed that everything matters equally. Everything matters equally is a myth. Not all things are equal. So, what do you do now? I would suggest go back to your childhood and ask yourself in the coming month, which is that one most important activity I need to do. If done, everything else falls in place. In the coming week, what is that one most important aspect I need to do? If done, everything else falls in place. In the entire day, the next day, in this day, which is that one most activity I need to do, where everything else falls in place, and chase that activity. Remember, a guy who chases two rabbits will get neither. To find out the one most important thing, if done, everything else falls in place. Thank you.